So today we're looking at the 1970 Chevelle SS 396 with cowl induction. It's a great car. It's a slightly older restoration, so there's some patina on it. Cowl induction right there. This thing is extremely powerful. Very fun to drive. It is a car that you can take to a show, but it is not really Concours quality, but it's definitely something regional or local car show you could do fine. It is a pretty thorough restoration. The engine has had mechanical improvements, and it is a 396 SS, so that's all correct. But the engine's been kind of increased in terms of power and performance. Oh. Yeah, you want to rev it a little, juice it a little bit? All right, I think this baby's ready to rumble. Let's listen to the exhaust. Oh, wow! Too bad you can't smell it on YouTube. This is live. So here we are driving the 1970 Chevelle SS 396 with cowl induction. It has some auxiliary instruments, fire extinguisher, modern stereo. All the gauges are the stock gauges. It's automatic. Has a great sound to it. So why don't you give them a little example of what it can do? Feels pretty tight. Has the back seat. The odometer has 29,496 miles. We don't know what the history is behind that. The headliner, so the interior and headliner are pretty well restored, but missing some things. Again, not to Concours standards, but nice. Anyway, lots of power. This thing has monster power because it's a modified 396.